Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be making your own custom chatbot. So let's get started. To begin with, let's first import our two main libraries, time and OS. So we would need time to for the print commands, and you'll also need the OS to have much more control over what the bot says, and I will teach you guys how to implement that mechanisms on your bot. So yeah, we then use the OS library to create the clear function. The clear function, whenever it's called, it clears all the text on the screen currently. Now you can use print functions and the sleep function to have the bot say whatever you want. So to make it more smooth, you could use the sleep function, and so what it does basically is that it stops for a certain amount of time and then it just begins talking again. And then to clear everything on the screen, you can just use the clear function. Now, to add human interaction or any kind of interaction, you could use the input function, and you could also use the if-else statements to have your own custom interactions. Alright, so now let's look at a real world example. So this is a arthritis doctor. It's a chatbot I made, and it has lots of functionality, and it helps you treat arthritis. So arthritis is a genetic disease, it's a genetic disease, and this bot helps you treat it and also helps you diagnose it. So basically, first of all, uh, I have all the things that I've mentioned in the previous clips, like all the code. So in the previous snippets, you have seen all this similar code. I just copied them from this code. So this is like the official code, and yeah, and there's a post too if you guys want to see it. So first of all, we have some of the sources, and we have like a lot of print statements, and then we have a sleep function, then all that good stuff, and then we have lots of if-else statements. I meant just if statements, and I think I could organize this in a much more efficient way so it performs better, but I didn't have time for that. So I just put it in there. You know what I mean? So yeah, and you have selected diagnosis. How do you feel? And then it gives you the bunch of options, and if you choose one of these options, for example, if bot response is equal to 1, then print this thing, and then wait for 5 seconds and clear the entire thing. So that's how it goes, and that's pretty much like the structure of the entire code. Let's just see how it works though. So sources, Google search. Seriously, I searched for the terms for Google and all that good stuff. And please select what you want to do. Check if I have arthritis, help me treat it. So you can have like conversations with not like text. You could also have it like with like numbers and stuff like that too. So I could just select 2. So select types of treatments. There are multiple types of treatments. So if I select a certain thing, it'll tell me how and more info on how to do that. So for example, just say self-care. Self-care treatments, some options that you can do. So you can do physical exercises, aerobic activities for 20 to 30 minutes, 5 days a week. That improves your cardiovascular health. So arthritis is like a physical genetic disorder that wait, let me just show you that to you guys. Arthritis. So yeah, so it condition with swelling, tenderness of one or more joints simply. So physical exercise could help with that. And these are actual facts too that I got from Google. So weight loss is another treatment. You can improve cardiovascular health as well. And then ice packs. So this can reduce inflammation and dull sensation of pain. So that's all of the so I compile those facts from Google and I just put them in there. And yeah, it's pretty simple. And I want to see what types of bots you guys create, and you guys could put the code on GitHub or Replit, and you can just share it, and you can feel free to just share it with me. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe, like, and comment. Comment if you guys have any other ideas, and yeah, I'll be posting more actively from now on. So yeah, make sure to turn on that notifications bell while you're at it. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.